Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would vlog because I haven't vlogged in forever on my channel, and I really like vlogs. I like watching vlogs, I like making vlogs. They're just like a lot more casual for me, and I feel like I can show you a lot more. So I have a lot to do today and I want to include you guys in on it all. So today I already woke up and went to the gym because I've been going to the gym every single day now, except for the weekend. So I go every weekday and I wake up, get my butt there, work out, and I feel way better. I just showered. My hair is just like, this is my natural hair. If anyone was ever wondering, I call it noodle hair. Like, I would not consider this curly because there's not really any curls going on. It's mostly like, it looks like spaghetti noodles, you know what I mean? My cat's just meowing at the door because I shut him out.
Who's there? Which kitten is there?
There's a Henry! What happened? Mommy locked you out. Why do you have dust all over your face? Oh my god, that just shows how dirty my house is.
What are you doing, Henry? Just want to squish you because you're so good.
Also, a lot of you guys comment on my videos being like, isn't that Stu? Why do you keep calling him Henry? And I'm like, I have 2 cats now. I don't even know if I ever shared that with you guys. I think after Christmas I came back and Kristen got a new cat, which is Henry, and he is like actually Stu's brother from like a new litter. So they have the same parents, which is super cute, and I feel like they know that. Like, I feel like they act like true like best friend brothers, which is so cute. Henry is younger. I named him Henry because I thought that was such a cute name for a cat.
Plus, he just looks like a good Henry. Doesn't he look like a good Henry?
He's like the sweetest cat. He just cuddles and wants to be around you all the time, and he's just like nice. Like, you can tell his personality is like nice, if that makes sense. And then like Stu's is more like, I'm in charge and I'm older, that kind of thing. They have like 2 different vibes.
You're the sweetest one. You're the sweetest.
I'm just gonna go downstairs and make a coffee, but an iced coffee this time, because I feel like iced coffees like wake me up and hot coffee kind of like makes me feel relaxed, and I need to get moving. So I think iced coffee it is today. I also need to clean out my closet, and I know I've said that so many times in other videos, like you guys have seen my closet and it's a disaster, and it's actually even worse now. If you see it, you'll be like, what the heck, Kristen, that's insane. I can't even walk in my closet, but I thought I would just share that with you guys and show you guys it, because that's like the real me, you know? Like, that's like behind closed doors. It's a hurricane. I need to go through all my clothes and like actually take out the stuff I do not wear at all and stuff that doesn't fit and all that. Like, I've just been collecting and I don't even know why, and wasting hanger space. So I need to go through everything and just give it away. So I'm gonna go to Goodwill and give away clothes that I don't wear anymore. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Anyways, iced coffee. For those of you guys that like iced coffee and that have never made it before, this is for you. There's so many different ways of doing it, so I'm not telling you guys this is the way, but this is how I've been doing it. I use my handy dandy Nespresso machine that's over there, and I make a long shot of espresso, and then I just fill up a glass of ice. So once the espresso's done brewing, I throw the espresso into the cup of ice, and then I swirl around some either normal 2% milk or some almond milk. I don't add any sweetener or flavoring, but that would be really good too if you like that. And then you have really good iced coffee. So it's already cold. Oh my god, it literally just tastes like Starbucks iced coffee, but like in my opinion better, because I can control like how much of whatever is going into it. So if you guys are iced coffee people, this is a super easy way of doing it. If you don't have an espresso machine and you have an espresso machine or like a Keurig that gives you like the small amount of coffee, use that, or I don't know, you're gonna have to do some kind of cold brew thing. I've been having iced coffee even though now it's like ish kind of turning into fall time. Here in California, it's like literally 100 degrees, so I still can't wear fall clothes. Anyways, getting off topic, that has nothing to do with coffee, but I'm really getting back into this iced coffee thing because I feel like it just like wakes you up. Cold drink, caffeine, coffee goodness in a cup. I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail today because I was so happy. I totally like didn't vlog this whole thing. I didn't even know this was gonna be happening. I saw this mail at the door. One of the pieces of mail said my name on it, and I'm like, I never get mail. Like, that's so weird. I didn't order it. Maybe Kristen ordered something for me. I asked him and he's like, no, I didn't buy you anything. And I'm like, oh, okay, well, maybe I did by accident or something. Anyways, I open it up and it's Magnolia Table. And I've wanted this cookbook so bad, and I've been thinking about it all the time, and my friend Megan sent it to me because I said that I wanted it, and she's so nice and sent me the cookbook, and I'm like, you're the best friend ever. Like, that is just way too nice. So I've been so excited about this. So I thought if I had a cookbook, then I could get some like good ideas and make some good stuff for dinner and like, you know, finally feel proud of my meals that I've been making. So yeah, that was just like such a happy thing. Megan, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, thank you so much again, even though I already thanked you. Like I could thank you times a million because that's just like super nice. I wish I got it all in the vlog because I was just like, wait, what is happening? Who got me mail? Why does it have my name on it? But yeah, that was my morning. Gym, surprises, now I'm here. Oh, this gets me so excited about this idea that I had because I thought maybe on my channel we could do like a little like sit down series called Coffee with Kristen, because if you guys watch my videos, you guys probably already know I drink coffee like a maniac. I'm like a coffee connoisseur, as you may say, or just, you know, a coffee lover. I also have a coffee bar that I made that I think is super cute, and we could do little sit down videos here and call them Coffee with Kristen, and I have my coffee and you guys bring yours and we could sit down together in these videos and like, I don't know, talk on topics and maybe send in questions and we could talk about things, like whatever it is, like dating advice, home design stuff, life things, like literally anything. I think that'd be fun. If you guys like that idea, let me know. See, this is why we need vlogs, so we can like talk to each other, even though I'm fully here talking to myself, but it feels like I'm talking to you and you guys can answer me in the comments. So if you want to answer me, comment down below and we can do that. But I think that's a really fun idea and I think it looks pretty. Let me know. We can do little segments on that and do a little sit down series, and that would be cute. I think that would be really cute. I like this idea. Let me know if you guys like this idea. All right, we're at the closet. We're about to go inside. It's so bad, and I'm sure a lot of your closets look just like mine, so let's not all pretend that we have it all together, because we don't. And my closet is the prime example of that. So you're gonna have to see it like this. Plus, this is the first stage in like reorganizing, right? So I need to do this step before we can do like an organization video, if we do that. So yeah, let's just get in here and go through my clothes. Oh my God, gets worse, it gets worse. Look at this. There's like 3 suitcases. That one hasn't been unpacked since like June, no, July. And it's already September, so that's bad. And it's just, oh my God, and what is happening here? And oh my God, I don't know how to hang up clothes. What? I don't even know what's even back there. Like, I don't even know what any of that is. I haven't touched it in forever. I clearly don't know how to organize shoes, and why is there a tag in there? Oh my God. Anyways, in my defense, the only reason this closet looks this bad is because I actually cleaned Christian's closet kind of recently, and that was a lot of work, and I was like, oh my God, no more cleaning. Like, I don't want to do any more closets. So yeah, now he has the nice closet and I don't. So that's the way things worked out for me. Now this is what I'm left with, so that really sucks. But anyways, I'll get to it. And if you guys want me to film a closet organization video, I can do that. I'm just kind of struggling with like how to organize it, but once I figure it out, I can either film it or not film it and do like a closet tour once it's all like nice and organized. So anyways, I guess I'll just be here like going through piles of clothes. So I'll just put you down and try and time lapse a bunch of it and show you guys what is going. First piece gone. I would totally keep this, but the sleeve is ripped, and every time I pick it up, I'm like, oh, I can't wear it because the sleeve is ripped and it looks bad. So it's going. Really want to keep this, but honestly I can never wear it. It's too tight around my boobs and it just like looks like the buttons are popping and it just looks stupid now. So oh, I think it's so cute, like this with some nice jeans, like off the shoulder dress shirt. I thought it was so cool when I bought it, and then I only really wore it once because I was like, oh, I don't really think I got the right size, so that kind of sucks. But anyways, I guess that has to go too. Oh my God, I used to wear this t-shirt dress all the time, but it has an oil stain on it that I can never cover, so garbage. I also need to be doing this because I need to make room for like fall clothes and just get rid of stuff that I don't wear. Like this, honestly, every time I wear this it looks so ugly and I don't know why I keep it, so it's gotta go. I honestly don't know if this is cute. I feel like this is such a weird color and I never know how to wear it. I'm just like, is this ugly? Oh, I feel like the style is cute, like tie up with buttons and it's kind of dress shirt, but I feel like this is not nice and I never know how to make it look cute. So maybe it's gotta go too. I don't really know. Oh, I don't know. I feel like you guys need to be here helping me. I need a friend. Maybe this could look cute with like, I don't know, like wide leg pants, and it looks kind of like 70s. Like maybe I should keep it, even though I don't really wear it that much. But I'll put it at the front of the closet so I know that it's here, and maybe I'll wear it. Getting rid of all these clothes just makes me like need to go shopping again, so I feel like I can end up going shopping today, like once everything's gone. This is also cute, but I never wear it, but like it's pretty summery. But maybe it will look cute like under a leather jacket or like under like a fall thing. Maybe I'll just keep it. This is everything. Look at all these clothes that I literally don't wear. That really hasn't all really gone away, but finally I got rid of like everything that I don't need. So now I just need to like put it all in a garbage bag and bring it to Goodwill. I just got to Goodwill with my big bag of clothes back there. It says there's like a drive-through area where you can drop it off, but I don't really know. I've never been here before. I don't know where it is, but I might go inside and see if I can do like a quick thrifting spree, see if there's anything good in there, especially in like the home section. Maybe I can look for some like unique home decor for really cheap. Alright guys, I'm back from the store, totally lost track of time. It's now evening and I've been out shopping, which wasn't really the plan, but kind of the plan. I got rid of my clothes and then I went into Goodwill to look around and found some really good stuff. So I'll show you guys what I found there. Then I decided to stop at the mall because I felt like looking for some like fall clothes. So I'll show you guys what I got from Goodwill. I found this really cute basket thing. Like I think this is such a cool shape and kind of reminds me of like a little vase. But this was $3, so that's pretty cute. I feel like putting it on a table or a shelf or like a fireplace or something. I just felt like I like the vibe of it. It's really cute. I found some cute little things. They put it in like this Target bag. First, I got this brass candlestick and this was $2.99 and it like is really old, like there's still like old wax in it and stuff. I wanted to find candlesticks like this for so long because I have long candles, and then I got a large one which I thought was really cool. Look at this, it's literally brand new. It's actually from IKEA, so that's kind of funny. But this was $5, so I thought this layered with a small one, like on a shelf with the basket, would look really, really cute. So I got those two, and then I found this cute little jar, or like, I don't know what this is, like a jar or like a oil container, but it's very like pretty and it has like a cool design on it. And this was $1.99, and look how cute it is. Like for $1.99, that's pretty cool. And yeah, so I really like this location that I found. It wasn't that big, but whatever was in it was pretty good. They also had this really cool shelf that I like almost got. But then I was like, where am I gonna put it? I'm not really sure yet. It was really cute and it was like $14 or something. And then from this store called Irene's Story, I got this romper that I showed you guys on. So I bought that, and then I bought this really nice green sweater. I love this green knit. Like, this looked so good, and the shape of it and like the length and everything. Those were really, really cute. I didn't end up buying the jeans. I might go back for them if anything.
Are you tired from the day?
Oh, Christian's calling. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hi.
Hey, I was gonna ask you.
What?
The reservation is for 8:30. Like, by the time I get home, will you be ready to go? That we could just head back down.
Oh, yeah.
So should I just leave now and then we can Uber back down?
Yeah, we could do that, or else we'll have 2 cars all night.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
All right.
Woohoo!
I already made a res.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay.
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 All right,
Bye.
bye.
I completely forgot to keep vlogging. I had to like get dressed for dinner and get out really, really quickly. So I just turned off the camera and then completely forgot. So anyways, we just got back from dinner, had a really good like Italian meal, but I'm about to get into my little nighttime routine that I do every night, but I'll save that for another video, like a dedicated nighttime routine video if you guys are interested, because I kind of feel like this vlog is like way too many things now, or not enough things. It's kind of just like a bunch of everything. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like vlogs. Let me know if you guys do so I can like mix them in there here and there. I love talking to you guys on the vlogs because I just feel like it's more, I don't know, like natural or something. So I'm not sure what it is about like filming vlogs. It just ends up being that way. So if you guys like them and want to see more, let me know down below. You guys know what to do if you haven't already. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the red subscribe button down below. And make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you don't miss any videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!